Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this app is not available for your device error while searching for any game on Google Play Store. Many users have reported that they were coming across this kind of error. So if you are also looking for the same fixes for the error, then just go through the methods discussed in this video. The very first method is to clear the Google Play Store cache. So for that, you have to press the Google Play icon over here, go to the app info. After that, click on storage and then click on clear cache. After that, search for the game and check if the game is coming or not. If not, then you should also clear the cache of Google services. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that from here you have to search for Google Play services. Open it, go to the storage option and click on clear cache. So after doing this, go to Google Play Store and search for the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update option, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that go to Google Play Store, search for the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to uninstall Play Store updates. So for that, again you have to go to settings. In the search option, search for Google Play Store, open it, and you have to select uninstall updates. So after opening this screen, here in the above section you can see two dots, click on it and then click on uninstall updates. So after doing this, again open Google Play Store and now check if the app is visible or not. If not, the next step is you have to check some other workarounds. So if your device hardware is truly old for the app, then you have to download the older or compatible APK version through safe or third-party websites. So you have to enable install unknown apps from your device so that you can install the app from third-party websites. So you have to go to settings. After that, go to privacy, security and privacy, or you can simply search for install unknown apps. Here you will get it, and after that click on it and you have to enable it so that you can further install any apps from third-party websites after you get such kind of issues on Google Play Store. So by this way you can easily fix the issue you are coming across while installing any games or apps on Google Play Store. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.